Focus on these 6 areas to succeed with your process automation initiatives.
Process automation is one of the ways of achieving operational excellence. Although each industry vertical has its own needs, but regardless of the sector, there are top 6 areas you must focus to succeed with your process automation initiatives. Let us dive deeper to understand each area better. 1. Start by carefully planning your automation strategy to align with your business objectives and identify key processes that will benefit most from automation. 2. The second step is to select the right processes to automate. Doing this will maximize efficiency gains. Choose processes that are repetitive, time-consuming, and prone to human error for automating. For example, in a manufacturing company, automation can be extremely beneficial to conduct routine tasks like inspections, material sampling, and testing for quality control purposes. Likewise, in a service company, automation can be used to streamline repetitive tasks such as order fulfillment. 3. Involve stakeholders from various departments early on in the project. This helps to gather insights, feedback, and ensures that the automation initiative will meet everyone's needs. 4. Continuously test and refine the automated processes to optimize performance and ensure that they meet the intended goals and integrate smoothly with the business's other operations. To get fast results, develop your process automation best practices using Agile or Scrum methodology. 5. Train employees not only on how to use the automation tools, but also on how these changes benefit their roles and the organization. Also, share the perils of not automating. Remember that being true and transparent with your workforce is vital. 6. Lastly, implementing effective change management practices is crucial to handle the transitions and ensure all stakeholders are on board and adapt smoothly. Remember, your workforce must be at ease to navigate from traditional ways to working with automated processes. Implementing these strategies supports operational excellence by increasing productivity, reducing errors, cutting operational costs, and freeing up employees to take on more strategic and value-added tasks. This significantly boosts the business's market responsiveness, competitive edge, and profitability.
Visit drshrutibhat.com for more information on operational excellence and product development, industry-specific case studies, and free white papers.